Good evening traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. In this video I'm gonna give you one good news that my broker is gonna give 1.35 millions to Pakistani people. Yeah, you heard it right. 1.35 million rupees my broker is gonna distribute to the Pakistani clients. So before I start this video, guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. Let's start our video. Yeah, as I told you in my intro, I told you guys my broker XM is my broker's. XM now give a promotion to distribute about 1.35 million rupees to Pakistani clients. Yeah, this offer is only valid for Pakistani clients. In future, if any new offer came for the different countries, I will definitely gonna bring that. So with this offer, the Pakistani people earn about, and my broker is gonna distribute about 13,50,000 rupees to the Pakistani people. What you need to do, there is a link in the description. You just have to click that link and open the account and deposit about minimum balance of 200, and you need to trade that. So when you start trading, so there is a lucky draw at the end of this month. So our broker will choose the 10 winners. So God knows, maybe you are the winner if you applied that. If you didn't apply that, you don't have a chance to win that. But if you apply, you will definitely have a chance, and people win a lot of money in our previous draws. So what you have to do, there is a link in the description. You just need to click that link and open a standard account. Deposit minimum about $200. Maximum, there is no limit of the maximum deposit, but minimum you have to deposit about $200, and after that you have to trade on that account. At the end of the month, we will do, and our broker will do the draw, and the lucky winners will get that money into their account. So we will choose 10 lucky winner. The first one get about 3,50,000 rupees, the second winner get about 2,50,000, and the third winner get about 1,70,000 rupees. Same like 4 and 5th get 1,20,000 rupees, and we have a winner of 6 to 8 will win 80,000 rupees, and 9 and 10 will win about 50,000 rupees. So if you have any question regarding that, there is a link of my Telegram channel and my Telegram contact in the description, so you can contact me over there as well, and I will definitely love to help you guys. So guys, before you leave this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos, and I will definitely announce the winner at the end of this month as well, and I will keep updating you about the promotions of my broker. So thanks for watching this video. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Bye.